In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Booking.com account. By the end, you'll have a brand new account ready to use for booking stays and services. Before we begin, have a reliable internet connection and a personal email you can access right away, since email verification is part of the process. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Booking.com. Take a quick look at the address bar to confirm you're on the official site. On the home page, look toward the top right corner for the sign-in link or a small profile icon. On some devices, it may be inside a menu. Click that to move to the sign-in screen. On the sign-in page, you'll see options to log in or create a new account. Choose the option to create a new account, often labeled Create Account or Continue with Email. When prompted, enter your email address. This is the address Booking.com will use to send confirmations, important updates, and receipts, so pick one you check regularly. If you're on a shared device, plan to sign out when you're done for security. Next, Booking.com will send a verification code to the email address you provided. Keep the browser tab open, then head to your inbox and look for the message. If you don't see it within a minute or two, check your spam or junk folder. Enter the code exactly as shown. If the code expires, simply request a new one. Don't forward your code to anyone. Treat it like a password. After your email is verified, you'll be asked to create a password and, if prompted, add your name and other basic details. Choose a strong, unique password that you don't use anywhere else. A password manager can help you generate and store it securely. Enter your name as you'd like it to appear on bookings. Using your legal name can help avoid check-in issues. You can add more profile details later in your account settings. Once you submit the form, your account is created. You can now log in anytime using your email and password to search for properties, compare prices, and complete bookings. Take a moment to explore your account dashboard. You can review reservations, save favorite places, adjust currency and language, and manage notification preferences. For smoother checkouts, you can also securely store traveler details and payment methods. If you ever use a public or shared computer, remember to log out when you're finished. That's it. Your Booking.com account is ready. Follow these steps, and you'll be set to plan your next trip with confidence.